Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn warming up and chit chat of unit number 4.2 PV Sindhu, an icon of success from standard 8th subject English. Let's go start. First question, do you like to play or watch games? तुम्हाला खेळ खेळायला किंवा पाहायला आवडते का? Answer, yes, I like to watch and play games. They are fun and exciting. Second question, which games do you like to play? तुम्हाला कोणते खेळ खेळायला आवडतात? Answer, I like to play cricket, kho-kho and kabaddi. Third question, what are some of our local Indian games? आपले काही स्थानिक भारतीय खेळ कोणते आहेत? Answer, some local Indian games are खो-खो, कबड्डी, गिल्ली-डंडा, लंगडी and लगोरी. Fourth question, who is your favorite sports person? तुमचा आवडता खेळाडू कोण आहे? Answer, my favorite sports person is PV Sindhu. She is a famous badminton player from India. Next question, what games are played in the Olympics? ऑलिम्पिकमध्ये कोणते खेळ खेळले जातात? Answer, many games are played in the Olympics such as badminton, swimming, football, running, high jump, long jump, discus throw, wrestling and gymnastics, etc. Next question, sports equipment. Write the name of game or sport near the sports equipment shown below. खाली दाखवलेल्या क्रीडा साहित्याजवळ त्या खेळाचे क्रीडा प्रकाराचे नाव लिहा. फर्स्ट, बॅडमिंटन रॉकेट, टेबल टेनिस, लॉन टेनिस, क्रिकेट, हॉकी, फुटबॉल, javelin, badminton, rugby. Second question, match the game with the place where it is played. खेळ व खेळल्या जाणाऱ्या ठिकाणांची योग्य जोड्या जुळवा. A. Game, B. Place. First, cricket, ground. Second, badminton, court. Third, golf, course. Fourth, boxing, arena. Fifth, skating, ring. Sixth, कॅरम बोर्ड. अशा पद्धतीने आज आपण PV सिंधू अँड आयकॉन ऑफ सक्सेस या पाठाचे वॉर्मिंग अप व चिटचॅट ॲक्टिव्हिटी अभ्यासल्या आहेत. जर व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला तर लाईक, शेअर आणि चॅनलला निश्चित सबस्क्राईब करा. पुन्हा भेटूया नवीन पाठासोबत. तोपर्यंत जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.